Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you a buy sell indicator on TradingView, and it's really good for beginners. And I was like, if you're a beginner and yeah, you want to make easy trades because it only says buy or sell and you take the trade, then you should just take a look at this indicator. So yeah, of course, first of all, you need to have TradingView. If you do not have an account, it's free. Just check out the link down below in the description. You will get $15 off with my link. Um, but yeah, if you have an account, over here you go to a random pair, New Zealand CHF right now. I'm on the hourly. I click over here on indicators and I look for SNURK. SNURK. We click on this one over here, the AYN, and we see many lines. These are, I believe, moving averages on a higher time frame as well, and I also think perhaps a super trend, I'm not sure. But we see over here buy and sell orders. So what we do, yeah, it's kind of straightforward. You also see colored candles, and I think that these are perhaps inside bars, or I'll see a hammer. But the most important thing for us is to see when do we receive a sell indicator of indication, and when do we see a buy indication, a signal, a buy or sell signal. So over here we see that we receive a signal. Let me zoom in a little bit. This candle. So let's say that I know many people, they just trade 10 pips a day and they're out. So over here we see that we take the trade when the signal appears. We take the stop loss above the latest high. Let's say that this is a high over here. Yeah, of course you can do it here, but I think that it's not necessary with this indicator. And we only aim for 10 pips, so that's about here. We take the trade, and over here we're out 10 pips, and easily done. Of course it goes even more down to about 25 pips, but 10 is okay. So that was a nice win. Then we see a buy order, a buy signal, I mean, over here, after this one is closed. So that is over here's 10 pips. So yeah, you can put your stop loss over here if you want. Okay, let's put it over here, right? About 23 pips. So the 10 pips were yeah, so you gain 10 pips around here, right? So that's about 2-3 hours. But if you are a one-on-one trader, one risk reward trader, you risk 1% and you gain 1%, then that was also a winner about here in about 6-7 hours. So that's also a possibility, and as you can see, it worked out. Over here we see another sell order, this candle, and 10 peperinos. Let me see over here. That was a nice win again. So for 10 pips it seems like it could work. Over here we see a buy. I don't even have to show you that it's a winner, it's a big winner. Here we see a sell order. I think also it's clear it's a sell. It's a, I mean it's a winner. Here is the stop loss. That's a 20 pip. 10 pips was here, really easy. 28 pips in total. I believe maybe 30 pips, almost 30 pips. With this signal, and it was almost a 2-to-1 risk reward. I mean 1-to-2 risk reward ratio trade. So that's good, of course. Then we see a sell order. First we have a buy. Okay, me show you that one as well over here. This is a 10 pips. Was this a winner or not? Yeah, it was also a winner. 10 pips. So we only have winners, which is really interesting. But of course, not. Yeah, this indicator is not the holy grail. So there will, yeah, be losers, of course. But it, from the first sight, it looks quite good. Here also a nice sell trades, sell, sell, sell. And again, if you're only going for 10 pips, I think, yeah, you would make quite some money with this indicator. But what I really recommend is to just look at the direction of the pair. And over here, it's in a bit of a ranging period, but long term, it's a downtrend, right? So this is where we start, we go to the downside. Over here we have a correction, a little bit to the downside, correction, and now we're going to the downside. So what you can do, you can just look at the green and the purple lines. So these are the, I believe, moving averages on the higher time frame, and you only take orders when it matches. So when this is purple, you only take sell orders. So let me see over here, sell trade. This is a yeah, over here we receive the signal. Here 10 pips. This was a loss, our first loss. So this was the loss. But over here we take another. So here this is a win, and even a bigger win. It's a almost 6.5. Yeah, it's almost a 6.5, 1 to 6.5 risk reward ratio trade, which is good. Crazy. It's really nice. So this loss was already forgotten basically, because this is really good trade. And then we have another over here. We have another. We take the stop loss over there. We have another trade. 10 pips was met here. All right, and it even goes down to, let's say, the support level, which is here. It's a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade, and this was 20 pips. So good. Now we're 23 pips in total. So that's something that you could do, that you only take trades in the overall trend. Again, this was also a really good trade. Let me show you what it would be over here. And this was a 1 to 2.5, 2.6 risk reward ratio trade. Again, over here this is a support level. This, so it's, yeah, it's kind of, it makes sense to place the TP target over here. 2.25 risk reward ratio trade. Again, here we only take sell orders. Another win. Here another win. We see again a win, a win, a win. Only winners. So this is quite an interesting indicator. And of course, yeah, just take a look at what is the overall direction of the trend. And also, yeah, I'm an advocate of fundamentals, and if these are also in place, then of course there's nothing that can stop you to use this indicator. And it works on stocks, it works on forex pairs, metals, commodities, whatever. It works on everything. Yeah, this is an indicator that I wanted to demonstrate. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.